Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Got a really ugly day today. It's raining really bad, and today was basically my only day off, so can't really do anything out there. I was probably gonna take care of some Christmas shopping for the family, but since we got the day to ourselves today, we're gonna be working on the truck. Let me see. I've been having this thing for a couple of weeks. Finally came in. It's a S&B cold air intake. The install's pretty simple from what I saw. Those lines get disconnected right there. The hose clamp, this hose clamp, the box gets removed, this bolt, and then these clips right here. You take off the little snorkel part and you put on the new one. So I'll be showing you guys, sort of guiding you how to install yours, and we'll take a look at what's inside the box. So yeah, pretty straightforward. You have all your little couplers. It's gonna be your new snorkel right here. Your cover, the little gasket that it takes, your clamps, and a couple of zip ties and new clips and hardware. And then let me see what else we got. We have the intake 2. Pretty nice, pretty cool. I guess we're gonna have to put those new little things for the lines over here. Those. So basically, you just they have a little. It's like a clip style. I don't know if you guys have ever taken these off, but you press on it, and it just comes off like that. I don't know if you saw that. So they click, press on it, and you pull it out. And it's the same thing for the other one. So what else we got in here? We have our filter in here. They always come boxed in. Little box, nice and sealed. We got that guy right there. And then we have the big old box right here. Look at this guy. And it's supposed to sit exactly where your stock one's at. So everything's like direct fit. You don't really have to mess with anything else. Like I said, the clips, I do know there's like a little harness with more clips on the side. One here, 2, remove this guy, and there should be another one over here. And then just take all that off. This bolt, I believe it's like a 13. We're gonna get started, turn it up, and we'll see how it sounds. I really been wanting to do this, I just haven't had time. Okay guys, so pretty straightforward. The only thing is the blue one is a little tricky. It has a little clip at the bottom. It's like over here, so you could say 12, 3, 6, like at 8 o'clock, and then you just have to like mess with it a little bit to release it. That's the only tricky one. This is the one that you just push down. The little harness, this guy right here, pop him from here, pop it from here, pop it from here. Right here, the 2 clips. You can have one of these or the smaller ones. I also have these little plastic ones so they don't like scratch anything. You usually use these for like the interior stuff, but the metal ones work fine and the plastic ones just your preference. And then all I have to do, because this thing's pretty much loose now, is take the bolt out, and then I believe the little plastic thing, you are gonna put it on the new intake and the sleeve and the new bolt and the bolt. You don't get a new bolt. and then we'll start putting the new box in here. But this thing, like, look at the filter on this thing, man. They didn't even change it out. Pretty sure it's the original one. Look at that thing. But yeah. And then for the clamps, for these guys right here, they were 7s. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm still waiting on my my GT manifold to come in. I don't know when that guy's gonna come in. They didn't really give me a time frame on it. I wish I would have waited. I saw that somebody had some the other day, and I was just like, wow, I could have just got it. But yeah, I'm waiting on that to come in, and then I'll go get it installed and everything. And what else are we doing? The headers, I'm looking for headers. So basically all the little bolt-on stuff I can do to it, and then start saving up for the twin turbo build, because I really want to get it done. So I'll probably like start getting all the fuel system stuff first and everything. I ordered some new wheels, so I'll probably come out on another video down the line, because they do take a couple of weeks to get made. But yeah, they look pretty cool. So as far as the intake box, this is the only part you have to prep. You put the little gasket in there, and then you throw the little sleeve through the inside out. You can see it right there. And it's basically going to go back in the same spot. And then these holes are for the little duct part. And it has these clips for it. These right here. Takes two on top and 2 on the bottom, and then the other ones go right here back. Boom, boom. So yep. Okay, the box is in. One thing I do want to point out to you guys, the clips, they sort of sit like that. I'm trying to push them in, I guess they just sit like that. And the bolts in here, I already put it on there. This thing just sits exactly where the factory one was. I did have to remove this extra plastic lining that was right here. I guess they didn't finish machining the plastic right. And then these 2 clips on the actual plastic, there weren't any holes. The whole indentations were there, but I had to like get a drill and just like make the hole so I can pop them through, because if not, you have a flap here that's just like flapping. So those 2 clips are there, 2 clips here, and then these 2 are different from these 4, so you shouldn't have a problem confusing them. Next, we're gonna prep the intake tube. So the big one, I checked, and it's a 19. And then the smaller one, I checked, and it's a 17. So just screw them on there, nice and tight. Don't overdo it. And then put the gasket on this one, or whatever, coupler. And then for the one that goes for the intake, just put that one on the actual throttle body first, that way you don't have such a hard time. And start putting the C clamps on. Then next we're gonna pop in the filter and then put all that stuff on there. Okay, the smaller one's a 16. I kind of rounded it off. I don't know why I grabbed the 17, but no, it's a 16. Just make sure they're on there right, real nice and tight. But just to confirm, this is the 16. There we go. Just won't sit all the way because I kind of rounded the side off. But as you can see, boom, 16. That's it right there. Okay guys, I got the intake on. Little clamps, they're 8s. This one just tightens up. It just, I don't know, I feel it like not too tight. And then the filter, you pop it in, tighten it up right there. So all I'm gonna do right now, like I said, it's raining really loud. Just pop back in, you'll hear them click right away. And this guy too, boom, they click. So that's it. Only thing left to do is to do the lid and just peel off the little protective film on it, the little gasket on, and the little screws. And then it comes with a sticker. I usually stick it on the hood just in case you need to like get a new filter. That way you know which one you have and everything on the intake. But let me put that on and then we'll turn on the truck and see how it sounds, if it even made a difference and all that.